This is how people believe Paint by Shawn Denise is created, that everything is sent off to a manufacturer where there's one person doing one task and there's a room full of people sewing my brand, and that's just not how it goes, folks. I'm so tired, but I am determined to finish these patterns. I'm tired. And that's me, putting together all those patterns one by one, each size, one at a time, page at a time, taping them together so I can have patterns. I've been cutting out patterns all day to the point where now my arm hurts and I can't even fully rotate my arm. The wear and tear that being a designer has on my body, I think it should really be studied. Here's to staying up until it's done. Another set of patterns, the handkerchief skirt, size is small through 5X. I'm finally done. Then once the pattern is made, it's time to cut the fabric. There is no big electric cutter, or it's not me cutting out all of these sizes at a time. It just doesn't work like that when you're a cut and sew designer. You're cutting one piece at a time. The waistband, the sides of the skirt itself, every piece, no matter if it's 4 pieces or 8 of every size, has to be cut. There is no team. There is no help when it comes to sewing. There's not someone serging. There's not someone doing quality check. It's me at the serger, sewing every pocket, sewing every inch of this skirt. It's me doing it all myself. You're not just receiving an order from me. You're getting all of my work, all of my blood, sweat, and tears, if you want to call it that. But everything that I do it because I love this. Even the darts, even the ironing down of darts, ironing down of seams, ironing down of everything. There is no team. I do this all myself. Every size, every garment, me. I do my own quality check. And I keep going. I keep serging. I keep sewing until it's done. I do my own top stitch on my vest. I do my own quality reviews on all of my garments to make sure they're all identical and sewn the same way. It is very time-consuming and lengthy process, but it is what I love doing, and I love being a ready-wear designer. And I look forward to the day where I don't have to do all of this myself. But for now, I do it all. The craftsmanship, even through construction, and making sure each hole before I can put the grommets in is accurate and efficient. This is Paint by Shawn Denise, and I take pride in how all of my garments come out, making sure that they're suitable for you. Fast fashion could never, honey. They sure can't model what they sew either, okay? So, this is Paint by Shawn Denise. Are you ready to be painted?